I want to talk very quickly about the RepeaterBook app available for iPhone and Android, and also the BlueCAT. If you've never seen the BlueCAT, this is what it looks like. It's the small little blue box with a piece of wire that comes off of it. This particular one is for Yaesu, so it works with things like the 817857897. There's also a version for ICOM radios as well. And what it enables you to do, if you have an Android phone, using the RepeaterBook app, you can just hit a button on your phone and your radio will QSY onto that repeater for you. So that's what the actual device looks like. They're in stock at £59.99. And let's have a quick look at the application on my phone. So if we just come over to my phone, I'm just going to set the screen recording going. So here is the App Store on iPhone. I've typed in RepeaterBook at the top of the screen, and I'm going to just click on, click into the listing for the app. So you can see that it's developed by ZBM2 Software. A nice chap called Nicholas. He lives near Stevenage. I've met him on a number of occasions, and he's quite excited because the application across both iPhone and Android has recently hit 100,000 downloads, which is an insane amount. So it's a very simple app to use. It automatically will find your location if you just tap the sort of locate button at the top. So you see on my screen it's come up as my locator, and it's showing me all of the nearest repeaters that I could possibly get into. So my nearest repeater is GB3RU, but I've used this application all over the world, including in the States and all over the UK as well. When I'm not quite sure what the nearest repeater to me is, maybe I haven't got it programmed up in my radio, and I want to easily just program something up or get it onto VFO, the RepeaterBook app is absolutely fantastic for that. And you can easily view all the details. So for instance, if I wanted to change, so this at the moment I think I'm only looking at FM repeaters. So if I was to change that, I can go into settings, and I can change how it appears, but I can also, so on the filter, I can change what modes I'm looking at. So maybe I don't want to look at FM and Fusion. I want to look at D-Star repeaters. So I want to see the nearest D-Star repeater, and that's GB7AU up in Amersham. Or maybe I don't want D-Star anymore. I want to look at DMR repeaters, and then I can see DMR repeaters, including my nearest one at GB7BK. If I go into it, it tells me what it's connected to. So it tells me that the color code is color code 3. It's also on DMR Plus or Brandmeister Phoenix. That's the system. GB7RT at Sunningdale. That's a fairly new one I'm not aware of before. But there's lots of. It's got the entire database in it. That's the nice thing about it, and for all over the world. So if you're anywhere in the world and you want to know what your nearest repeater is, you can also change the distance by miles. So maybe you don't, maybe you're only running a handheld and you've only got a range of about 10 miles. Well, there you go. It'll show you the repeaters within a 10-mile range of yourself. You also change by band as well. So maybe it's sporadic E-season and you want to see what's out there available on 6. So change that to 1,000 miles. There we go. So we can see all of the 6-meter repeaters in the UK. And then we start to see some in France as well. And it's a really, really simple app in order to use. So that is the RepeaterBook app, along with the BlueCAT device available from ourselves in stock at £59.99. And until next time, bye-bye.